Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how you can fix Haptic Touch not working on iPhone in iOS 26. So let's get started without wasting any time. Method 1. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app, tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and choose Reset all settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. Don't worry, this will not delete your personal data, just the system settings. Method 2. Check if Haptic Touch is enabled. Go to Settings, tap Accessibility, find and tap on Touch. Here, make sure vibration is on. If it's already on, turn it off. Wait a few seconds and then turn it back on. Next, tap Haptic Touch. Ensure it's enabled and choose your preferred touch duration, fast or slow, then set it. Method 3. Adjust system haptics. Open the settings, find and tap Sound and Haptics, select Haptics and choose Always Play. Now go back, scroll down and make sure system haptics is turned on. Method 4. Remove case or screen protector. Sometimes a thick case or low quality screen protector can reduce touch sensitivity and cause haptic touch issues. Simply remove the case and screen protector, then test again. If it works, replace them with a good quality or Apple approved protector. And that's it. One of these methods should fix your problem.